Hey everyone, I'm coming at you with my January kit lineup. I feel like I've looked at this lineup so much, like more than any other lineup, so I feel like I've already filmed it because in my head, the way that I talk to you through this video is the way how I talk to myself in my head. Like I feel like I've already had this conversation, but it's just been with myself. So let's go ahead and go through January. So if you don't know, I do have a planner that I film in, and then I copied Hannah, and I also have a planner that I just mess around with stickers throughout the week when I have time. It's almost like therapy. So let's go ahead. I'm going to show you the first week that I show you that has the label sticker on it. So this is January 1st through the 7th. It's going to be the one that you're going to see Plan With Me is on. And if you want to see these spreads, follow me on the gram because that's the only place to see them. So the first kit here I'm using is the August Mystery. So if you want to get your hands on this, check out the Buy Sell Trade group. Otherwise, I will be reformatting this in August. So it is gorgeous, beautiful, everything. It's like a celestial kind of like moody house theme, kind of just like general fashion vibes, and I love it. I think it's perfect for winter, but also a very nice anytime kit. The foil that I'm using with this is going to be the mixed metal of the Lavender Hollow and the Sparkly Hollow, and I think these are such a good combo for this kit. I love this, like the lavender is like a really good kind of like tone for this, and then the Sparkly Hollow is just going to pop on those dark colors. And then I also pulled out a winter scribbler. It's a little bit darker than this navy color, but just a touch. So I thought that that would go really well with this. I haven't paired any like foil bundles. Sorry, not foil bundles. Any like scribblers or anything, but maybe as I go, have all of mine. It's like a haphazard type situation there, but maybe as I go, I think pulling in like a lighter color, this is number 68, would be really pretty. So I'm just going to go ahead and plop that in there with this because this binder isn't thick enough, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to turn that outside so I can see if I'm buying any extras. Like sometimes I'll be like, oh, I need some quotes or something. I can see what foil it is without having to pull it all out. Then in my other planner, I am going to be using Asleep by Midnight. I feel like they have like similar but different vibes. This is like the moodier version. This is like the lighter version. And I thought this was so pretty. And I like the idea of having like the kits kind of match for a second, you know? So I have some of the extras here because this was an in-shop kit. You could still get it. And then I did go with, it was like a foil of the month. I'm just going wild and crazy. I'm just... wait, I'm not, am I? Oh, yeah. I'm being weird with this one, y'all. So I was thinking about doing this like gold stars with that over it. These are clouds that I designed and Hannah has in her shop. They're called Heaven. And I don't know, like, let's do a little testy poo right now to see what she would look like. I kind of like the idea because there's all this like gold throughout, and I just think that it would be something wild and crazy and fun. So I'm just going to do it and just have a YOLO moment. I also have the same foil bundle I'm using in the other planner with this one, but I think it's going to look totally different with these like underlays underneath. I think it's going to be really pretty. I was thinking about getting navy underlays for this one. I'm going to write it down because I'm going to forget, but I think... Hear me out. I think navy underlays could be the move. This is what I do with the Plan of Hannah stuff. Hold on, let me get you a new page. Okay, so I'm going to write down, I write Aug, Mist, Navy, Solid. Because otherwise, one, I won't remember to order, and then two, it'll come in the mail, and I'll be like, what did I order? I also have another one of those winter scribblers. I thought this, like, purple color, like, it's one of those ones where I always say it doesn't, like, match if you go, well, I guess it's close. It doesn't match really if you go like this, but if you look at more just like the scribbler color it's on there, I'm like, okay, yeah, it's close enough type situation. And then I also do have, I'm not going to be ordering custom multis for my filming planner anymore because I do get from Hannah like this every week. So it feels redundant to like order one that I might not use all of and then order this whenever I could just order like the whole thing after the week happens because I'm already waiting for this anyways, you know what I mean? And then I can switch up the fonts. So I'm only be ordering custom multis from Hannah for my filming planner, or no, my non-filming planner, which I did get. It's like the new star foil in Sparkly Hollow and Lavender Hollow. So I just got those so I can have options. Then whatever I don't use, I'll pull into future spreads, I write in. Anything else, I don't get a custom scripts because I do it as I go. And then for the week of January 8th through the 14th, I live in Texas, so it does have, we have like a rainy winter for the most part. So I have Walking in the Rain. I thought it looked really pretty. Another one of those winter scribblers in the light blue. Oh, I forgot to, I don't know if I have anything. I guess I could pull this one in. Number 76, I feel like would be pretty. Oh, just a blue color. I have like a purple that I think would look very good. The other one that would look good maybe is this one. To match like the wood colors. Maybe I'll pull that in because it's a little bit more like muted than the other one. But anyways, yeah, so I have color number 83 here and then a winter scribbler as well. I am going to be using, we're doing a lot of lavender hollow. It's the lavender hollow, regular hollow in the, I believe this is called Sparkle. And then I'm going to be pulling in these underlays from Hannah called Weather that have like clouds and rain and stuff. And I have one in lavender hollow, one in regular hollow, and then I have bougie boxes in hollow and lavender hollow, and I'll probably layer the bougie on top. And I think that that's going to be a pretty look for that kit. I think it's going to be pretty. And I think also like this, like it kind of looks similar colors too, right? It's a vibe. January is just vibing out. We're having a lot of similar situations here. This one is older art. It's called City Chill, which I thought was just really, really pretty. I'm keeping this one simple. I think I might have ordered something from Hannah for this. I think my custom multi, which I did the like snow in matte silver, but I'm just doing the matte silver snow. I think that's gonna be really pretty and just like simple, but it's gonna be a statement, especially with the snowy underlays. Again, that's City Chill. Then I have this kit here, which is Winter Warmth. I love this. I think it's so pretty. Lots of lavender hollow because this is also lavender hollow. This is lavender hollow and gold hollow, and that is the confetti version 2 foil bundle. Have some of the extras here. And then from Hannah, I have the frosty in lavender hollow and gold hollow. I thought they were like simple, so I think it goes with the aesthetic. I have some just random scripts here that I don't know if I'll use because I'll probably do maybe the star font, if I'm being honest. I think the star font would go really pretty with this. And again, that is Winter Warmth, Lavender Hollow, Gold Hollow. Then I have Arctic, which is a really cute wintry animal kit. I don't have a lot in here because I'm probably just going to pull in, honestly, let's see what I got actually. I'm going to probably pull in just like a regular silver foil bundle. I could either do, let's see, I have matte silver too in here. I have like a twinkle. I think twinkle would be pretty. I didn't want to do like full blown snow because I want it to be a little bit more minimal for how like, I feel like this kit's more like, for some reason, like more sophisticated than a bunch of snow everywhere. So I'm going to do the snow underlays, and then I'm going to either do this or I'll pull out confetti. I haven't decided yet, but this is just the vibes. Silver. I have this from the Winter Scribblers, and then I have, this is the custom multi in the snow font, and then some snowflakes from Hannah as well. But I think that's going to be very, very pretty. I don't rarely ever use just silver, so I'm excited about that. Then the next week, which is January 20th to the 28th, I am going on a cruise with my family. So I do have Magical Cruise, and this is another one that I don't have a foil bundle for, but we can pull one out. I am using the ship wheel in Champagne Lights. And then as far as a foil bundle goes, I think I will use, I could either use Park Hopper or just like a regular confetti. Oh, this is gold and regular gold. Maybe I'll do that so that I can pull in some like magical things in regular gold. Put that in there. This is, hands down, this is the best day I can ever remember. Super cute. I think I'm going to go with that just for the sheer fact of being able to then pull in some regular gold things as well. So this is the confetti version 2 foil bundle in sparkly, well, Champagne Lights and regular gold. So that is the Magical Cruise. I don't have anything paired with this, but I'll probably pair in number 47, which is a really pretty sparkly red. I also have number, this is pretty, this blue, but I feel like it's a little too like electric. So I'm just going to stick with that. Then for the other week in my non-filming planner, I have this odd loop kit. I'm probably going to keep it very minimal with the foil and just do underlays, no other overlays or anything. I think that's what I'm going to do. And then I just have the full box sheet and the bottom washi. And then I just made myself some like pages of these kind of things, like functionals, but you could obviously use multicolor or extras from kits you already have. So I got the Pinocchio kit, and then I have this color from the Winter Scribblers, as well as my custom multi in the star font. I think that will be really, really pretty for that week, because it also has like that, which for some reason reminds me of a cruise. So that's where we're at. And it's like magical. Wish is a wish upon a star. That's Pinocchio? Or is that just Disney? I don't remember. Anyways, so then there is Winter Kisses for January 29th through the 4th. Super, super pretty art. Jess was like, oh, you could use this for Valentine's Day. February, it's packed. But this is going into February, so this is where it's going to work. Because both of these are giving me more, like, romantic vibes, because this has, like, a couple in there. You can't see it, but a Winter Scribbler in blue. And then I pulled out, because I don't know what I want to do yet. I have Frosty in the Pixie Gold, but I also have Hearts and Champagne Lights. So it's going to be based on my mood. If it's really, really cold, might use those. If I'm feeling lovey, might use these. And then I also have a, I think she calls it like sparkly gold. I'm not sure. It's Champagne Lights. I gave her the foil code for it. So if you get this like sparkly gold snow, it will match my Champagne Lights. I also, for some reason, got the like big kit, but this is the snowflakes from Crest Press. I think that's going to be very cute. I'm kind of like more leaning towards the hearts, since it's going to be like a snow bundle. So it's not like super snow, you know? Oh my gosh, did an eyelash just fall out? Or what was that? I don't know. Okay. Then last but not least is Mary. And this is obviously a Christmas kit. I'm just like very confused. Okay. A Christmas kit, but I thought it kind of looks like kind of more like cutesy Valentine's Day with the purple and the pink. So I'm going wild and crazy on this one too. So I'm going to do solid gold, sparkly gold underlays, because, you know, why not? Thinking about maybe doing these on top of it. Let me show you what it would look like. But I haven't decided. I don't know. I might just honestly do just the hearts. I haven't decided, but I want to have options, you know? And then I also, this is regular gold. And then I also have like sparkly gold snowflakes, and then sparkly gold star font. I don't know what I was going for here, but let's go ahead and put in another foil bundle, because it just doesn't seem fully complete as of yet. I'm kind of thinking what could be cute is either the luxe stuff, because this does feel very like luxe and fancy, or this is really pretty. This doesn't really give me like silver vibes though, or maybe like this. I think that might be the vibe. Yeah, I'm going to do this, which is gold and Champagne Lights. Why not? Why not? We're doing a lot of gold at the end of the month. It was a lavender hollow beginning, a gold end, and I think that will be very, very cute. However, which way I decide to do it, it's going to be a game time decision. This is another one that would look really pretty with lavender hollow though. So that, my friends, is everything for January. I hope you like this kit lineup. It gives you some inspiration, and I will talk to y'all in my next video.